guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cool paper airplane that flies awesome. First, you're going to fold it in half, this. Make sure the creases are good. It'll pay off when flying. Okay, then you're going to take this corner and you're going to fold it into that middle crease that we just made. Okay, you're going to do the same to the other side. Should kind of look like a house. Okay, now you're going to take this and also fold it into that middle crease there. The same to the other side. Okay, and you're going to fold it again to the middle. Should look like this. Okay, then I'm going to fold it in half. So now we're going to make the wings. Okay. Don't worry, we're not done yet. Okay, and okay, now we're going to make the wings. You can keep it like this if you would like, but for it to fly better, I suggest making the wings. And then, now you're going to make the wings. Those of you who have made paper airplanes before, you guys should know how to make the wings by now. And if you haven't, then I'll teach you. Okay, first you're going to take that part. You're going to fold it to the bottom. And there you got one wing. You're going to do it to the other side. And then you're going to get two wings. Okay. It's going to be a really skinny paper airplane. Barely even know that it's a paper airplane. Okay. Now it's time for the test fly. Okay, ready? That was really far. Well, that was pretty far to me. I was all the way in the hallway. Now, you don't live in my house, but from the fireplace to the hallway is a pretty long way. Well, have fun with your paper airplane.